we're leaving.
Oh, we're ready to go? Just gotta put my phone in the electrical cupboard on charge, and we're driving.
Our little Kaya, first time between mommy and dad, and she listened to me. I told her my back hurts. Can you sleep there? She did. I told you, our dog is smart.
Yes, our dog is smart.
We're heading to Quebec and to the top of the
Gaspé Peninsula.
I don't even know how to see it. This trip will be 2 weeks. See how far we can go. We're basically in between Ontario and Quebec.
Kind of a no man's land, is it? I think that means we're approaching the border between the two.
As long as I can't read, that must be French. Sometimes English I can't read.
Yeah, I was going to say the last couple that you couldn't read were English.
Fourth line, that's English.
Yes. Line.
What does this say?
Quebec Service Center.
Yeah. So
Oh, 3 kilometers.
do you want to stop there? Quebec Service Center.
I'm not sure that I need to. Well, I guess I could go to the washroom.
I have to speak French to get it.
To the toilet? You're not voice actuated. Oh, it's an en route. Only it's.
No, it's blocked.
No, that's the way scale. But over there is an en route.
Oh.
But if it's not called en route, then we're in Quebec.
What do you mean it's on route?
No, that's what it's called, en route. Painesville en route.
So that's still Ontario. No, you're in Quebec. Where's the border?
What does this say? Quebec Service Center, 1 kilometer.
Did you see their gas is super expensive?
Well, we'll have to take a look and see. 5th line road. Bienvenue, welcome to Quebec. There you go. That's the border.
Oh, you gotta see the Quebec.
Yes.
So just check the gas price. Scare you.
It doesn't take more than a few cents to scare me. Yeah, Saint Hubert Express.
See, everything.
Yeah.
You can't read.
No A&W's in English.
Oh, that's just
So is
letters.
Petro-Canada.
That's just letters.
Yeah.
We crossed.
Yep.
There's Quebec. Attraction. No. First day this afternoon, we park at this beautiful St. Lawrence River and ignore these potholes. Lots of potholes.
I sort of assumed that this time of year, something beside the water that was free would be a mess. Where we could walk out of the van onto grass right beside the St. Lawrence River.
We're having dumplings what I made yesterday and some salad. I just mixed the eggs. I already have Kaya's food here. Kaya can't eat those dumplings. There's a chive food there. David is having a pear tea.
Aperitif, and I'm studying a manual for a piece of equipment on the van that I've forgotten again how to use.
Kaya is a...
She's hiding under the bed because the stove is on.
Mm-hmm. Oh, your food. Look at this dam. No, dam.
It's a lock.
It's a lock. So big. We can't get into it. They want to drown into it.
Yeah.
So that one can close?
Yes.
Oh, those things they can put it under the lock?
Well, there's a place there right beside the crane where they can fit ends into the pole.
This looks like a big crane. We camp right there. And look at this ditch. I don't know what is this. It's out of the end there's water. It's a road. It's the street lights on. And then we drove through this. This is so cool. It's the tunnel. I don't go. On this side, it's a lock. Sunday morning, we just get up. This is what I see. Look at this beautiful river. So wide. This is Sunday morning. Last night we had all night lots of rains. But right now it's not raining. Lots of seagulls.
Oh, look at those potholes.
We are close to Quebec City, and it's snow on the ground. We found this very nice place to camp tonight. And there's washroom also. There's a trail here. Obviously, there's something failed, and it has to fix. It's a draw, and it failed. It's not cold, even you look at lots of snow here. Or draw, the derailed, I would say.
Well, yeah, that is actually what happened. It derailed.
Yeah. Oh, this is a bumpy road in Quebec?
It derailed, but it just needed adjustment.
Yeah, okay. So that's what I was right. You kind of have to have your tools.
You're right.
We have this dinner ready, and we're using this table
Kaya's ready for that.
because we're not sure.
No, you don't want that.
We're gonna keep this table, or we're gonna move it to another table.
Oh, there you go, Kaya. Okay, so we're all gonna start.
Dave just fall off, and he was so bitchy, and he was like, oh, hey. He was yelling and crying. This is quite nice. We're snowshoeing. You literally can't walk without snowshoes. This is how far we can get. It's a brook here.
A brook, yes.
That's why they put the rocks here.
I don't think I can jump that far in snowshoes.
There's rocks here.
Yeah, that's to stop people racing down here thinking they can do it.
It's a Monday morning. We're in Quebec City, outside of Quebec City, and it's really snowy. This rest stop is pretty good. We spend the night here. We have very, very nice washroom. French style washroom. It's big.
Okay, wow.
Walking through Quebec City, here's the Chinois River. Here's my little Kai. It smells different, right, Kaya? Smells different, right?
That's St. Lawrence River. You can't put it down.
Kaya almost jumped from there to here. Kaya got stuck there. Kaya, you stuck there? Come back. Yeah. Deep wet snow. At this point, we gotta go back, Kaya, because we bought 2 hours parking. And we walked 1 hour here.
Yes.
We need 1 hour to go back.
That's a good winter walk.
It is.
The dog is there.
Yeah. She's not rugged like the other dogs.
Like that.
Yeah. I think we did a 1 hour. It's all 2 hours. And it's nice here because the people, they don't see good morning, hi, just like Ontario, which is good because I don't know how to see them in French. So here we just keep our mouth shut. As long as you open your mouth, they know you're not local. We have those garages outside, temporary. I don't think that we're allowed in Ontario.
The wreck though is right down to the sidewalk. Never seen one.
We don't get lots of snow like we do.
Yes, that's true.
Wow, look at this campsite.
Yeah, she's very excited.
Here it says dogs don't poop. She will poop, but we'll pick it up. Oh, don't let her jump on that. Look at this view. Look right there.
So we're at the top of this kind of hill, mountain sort of thing. So there's plains there, which is farms. There's a bit of a village right there. St. Lawrence River is right there flowing along. But where we are is at the top of what used to be a ski hill, and it's closed. And we're parked in this parking lot, and it's the band's level. Kaya's in her proper spot waiting for her dinner. Mom is just preparing everyone's dinner right now.
This is how we get stretching in the His leg is all the way to here. It's okay. And Kaya gets like, what you doing? before the tip of the Gaspé. It's a beautiful, beautiful area. Tonight at this beautiful place, we're having wild rice like this long, corn and peas, and I'm gonna make tofu. Kaya is enjoying sunshine at the back. She's good. Those two, they're ready for dinner.
I'm ready for dinner. Are you ready for dinner, sweetie? You ready for dinner?
Her dinner is here.
So Jenny's just dishing up dinner. Important part here is that Kaya is supervising. She's sitting on her perch, watching carefully because her bowl right there. I want to eat it. You can't play with it all night.
So they're all ready. They're eating. Kaya loves her food.
Mm-hmm.
And Dave, I don't know, because there's no
no,
meat.
this is really good.
No meat.
No, I realized that the tofu and the eggs are faking to be meat because we're out of meat.
See our Kaya? Oh, she's eating her food very well. After dinner, we walk in Kaya. It's so windy. Looks like you guys are at the end of the world. People just live right beside the St. Lawrence River. It doesn't look like a river, it looks like an ocean. Can't see the other side. Tonight, we decided to stay this marina. Switch from the other campsite to here. It seems more private, far away from the road. That's why we stayed. Very nice spot.
Oh yeah, right by the river.
Yeah.
And right by St. Lawrence River.
This is the
Matane River. Flowing out into the St. Lawrence River.
right in front of this
lighthouse.
And it's got this top turning. I try to find how tiny bit green grass she eats. I think you need to eat more vegetables.
All the boats there are all parked. We saw only a couple of boats actually in the water. The rest are all parked. They're not fishing. that picture. It needs to be barked at. Oh! Oh dear. No, you can't go around the back. That's cheating.
Kai is so happy because we put snowshoes on. Oh, Kaya, you just sink it in that they're climbing. Yeah, she wants to go there. She wants to go there.
Kaya's mountain climbing. Oh dear. Oh dear. You gave up? After yelling at me to follow? Oh, this is hard, Kaya. So are you stuck? Are you stuck? Oh dear. Thursday morning. Storm's supposed to start at noon, and it's about 7. So we're getting ourselves ready to drive away if the plow comes.
We are basically stuck in the snowstorm, and we stuck into the van, and we're making coffee.
It's not practical really to drive.
It's not safe.
It's not that safe, so we just have to sort of wait out the storm, which is basically means we don't go anywhere today. We go somewhere tomorrow morning, because tomorrow is not going to be snowy, but the day after is, and so we'll be doing this again. So one of these days we're going to use as our laundromat day.
I think it's today.
Yeah, maybe.
That just needs to drive 23 minutes to get there.
Yeah. So the sky over there is looking pretty dark, but there's no snow in the ground right now. Everyone's getting ready for the big storm that's coming, and they're accepting at the grocery store their Budweiser deliveries ready for the storm.
The snowstorm started today, and it is hold on like for like a couple of hours and then coming back again.
So what on earth is she doing? She was just sitting there for the longest time. And we keep telling her, you're going in the van for breakfast. And she's just sitting there saying, nope, staying outside to run. So we're in the Forlan National Park in Gaspé. And we're going down a very steep highway that's just been plowed right towards the Gulf of St. Lawrence or the Atlantic Ocean.
We're going to Land's End.
Yeah. Before this big snowstorm hits this afternoon.
It's quite close to us. It's like 17 minutes. No, it's not really 17 minutes to the end, but it's just 17 minutes
to where you can go. You can't drive to the end, you have to hike.
No.
Dark, stormy, angry waves, that's Land's End.
We're trying to walk. This is so hard.
And Kaya seems to know that all of this driving she did, over 1,500 kilometers, she seems to realize that that she had done all of that for this moment.
I don't think Kaya wants to dip her foot in that. I can. Whoa, look at this waves. Davey's so crazy. He wanted Kaya dip into leaves.
Look at that! It's Sophie!
Of course, it's the Atlantic!
Get your foot in, Kaya!
Whoa! Yeah, there you go, there! Yeah! Yeah! You did it, Kai! You did it!
Well done, Mum, thanks.
Atlantic Ocean in Quebec.
So, walking down this trail in the woods here, the wind isn't so bad, so it's nice.
I haven't cut my hair since I walked through your door. It's never been quite this long before. Taking some time to get all settled in, and I'm the happiest I've ever been. I never thought that I would move out of town. There's something about this place that holds me down. Made some mistakes, but I can start again, and I'm the happiest I've ever been. I'm grateful to know you, so grateful to show you all the things that I've been holding deep within. Love is complicated, and at times I feel frustrated, but I know that in the end our love will win, and I'm the happiest I've ever been. I never thought that dreams could really come true. I never thought I'd ever find someone like you. We lose our way, but always lean back in, and I'm the happiest I've ever been. I'm the happiest I've ever been. I'm the happiest I've ever been.
The snowstorm's coming. There's a heavy snow started. We're not too far from the car. And we're not too far from the town. So it's not a big deal. We just have to brush little gray.
Why would you get this?
Look at my glasses. I can't see anything. Have to take off the glasses. Because just so much wind, so much snow.
It's a blizzard.
Yeah.
Blizzard.
I hope we can drive back though. Kaya doesn't care, she's still hunting.
Yeah, she's still hunting.
Look at my glasses.
Yeah. You can't see through that.
No!
Oh, hi.
Your dad drove this, did he have snow tires?
Yeah, you had to have snow tires back then. I mean, you have to have them now. Our times driving home in whiteouts were worse than this. Although the road was busier, so you'd usually be in the convoy. There'd be someone ahead of you, or you'd be in the lead, maybe 3 or 4 cars behind you. But the odd time, there was some stretches of country road where basically you'd just come up to a big drift and whiteout at the same time. Someone texted.
Oh no, there's no road here. Stop.
There's a road.
Yeah, but you gotta stop here.
Okay, I can see now. There's shade here. Shadow from the trees.
This is road?
Yeah.
I don't want to get into the ditch. This is road?
We're not driving across the field yet. We can almost see tracks. I just don't know if...
I don't see it.
I can see the other side. Okay, and then I can see a guardrail there, so I'll just stay one lane to the right of the guardrail.
outside is totally snowstorm.
Can you see anything?
No, inside we're cooking beans and some beef, and also this is the reality of a mess here. Look, all these clothes need to dry, socks,
and the
gloves,
diesel heater points, if you turn it this way, it points all around here
and to dry in it.
to dry all the clothes.
And this one is
Still
hissing,
trying to get hot.
and our dog
It's hiding behind me.
is hiding because she's scared.
This thing.
So, you see all these beautiful things we look at it, and then we have to suffer through this. Okay?
We are hunkering down while we're having a major winter storm.
Yeah.
So I'm having my second course of lunch, and at the far end of the van, the front windshield has an awful lot of snow piled on it. We're in the middle of a snowstorm where you have to hunker down. You can't really drive anywhere. It was horrible. We're having a delicious meal, and Jenny's getting everybody, starting with Kaya, dessert. Kaya is very anxious to get her flea and tick pill. These are very expensive dog treats, but at least they make the medicine in the form of a treat.
But she don't know she should take it. But this weather, there's no ticks, no
I
mosquitoes.
know, but give her a little bit. I'm sure that she'll find a tick somewhere. She goes under so many bushes. Oh, she's just so excited. You gonna paw for it, Kaya? No. Yep, she ate it all. And then the real dessert. Oh, where are you going with it? Oh, on the bed. Always on the bed. So we're in the middle of a blizzard in Gaspé. And we parked in a parking lot of an organization that has volunteers for youth to entertain them. They still have electric charge stations. The plow keeps coming through to turn around, and he has plowed once or twice for himself, but not the parking lot. So we're hunkering down here.
It's a Friday morning after the biggest storm.
Yep,
We're
it was a
heading
big
to
storm.
Percy Walk, Percy City. There's a rock very famous.
Okay.
You need to at least look at it.
Yes, I think you're right, we do.